this week my tip is about your learning assistant. So this is happening in NotebookLM. You can paste the presentation. Actually, NotebookLM is supporting more files, and you can select everything from the sources, or add another source, or just select one of the sources and then use flashcards to learn. The answer is on the opposite of the card, so I use this for the presentation. And these are Google Sheet, also newly supported. We talked earlier about that. These new formats, also the PDF, the Drive files from what Peggy just talked about, and it's supported on mobile too. So this is how you can explain to the new information published on, for example, I will demonstrate now with live. Let's try it, how it will work live. The example I took is about longer notes in Google Meetings. That is an update that was published this week. So the question is, what are some recommended use cases for longer notes option in Google Meet? And you click, the answer is technical discussions, complex project meetings, or sessions where every detail is critical. And then by default, the option for longer meeting notes in Google Meet is set to off. So this is a very handy explainer when you want to dive in some complexity of changes. And here is another source we can use the updates for. Help me create in Google Forms, generate the flashcards, because it's something new. In order to learn it better, the learning assistant is very helpful for the details and understanding what exactly is changed and how did it work. So it's taking some time to generate it. So what is the name of the Gemini-powered feature in Google Forms that generates a draft from a user's prompt? It's Help Me Create. And the Help Me Create feature in Google Forms can generate a draft form based on descriptive prompt or by referencing what 4 types of existing files. It can reference docs, sheets, slides, or PDFs. See, and on November, Help Me Create feature became available in additional languages. 7 additional languages. So this is how you can. It's widely used now in universities by students and teachers, but if you're on the go or on your computer digesting new information, a learning assistant is a great